In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Gemini as default voice assistant on Samsung A56. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Gemini ready to respond on your Samsung phone, and you'll make sure the "Hey Google" wake phrase works the way you expect. We'll do everything inside the Google app, so there's nothing extra to install during this process. Start by opening the Google app on your Samsung A56. This is the app with the colorful Google logo, and it usually sits on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. That opens the account menu where you can fine-tune everything related to your Google experience. From there, tap Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Google Assistant. This takes you to the controls that determine how your assistant behaves. If this is your first time exploring these options, don't worry. We'll go step by step. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Digital Assistant. Tap Digital Assistant to open the list of available assistants on your device. On this screen, select Gemini. This sets Gemini as your default assistant, so it's the one that answers when you launch the assistant. If you're prompted with confirmation screens or permission requests, follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to allow access to the microphone or other features that help Gemini respond quickly and accurately. Approving these helps ensure everything works smoothly. After Gemini is set, let's make sure the voice activation is ready to go. In the Assistant settings, tap Voice Match. This is where you control the Hey Google feature. Make sure that the Hey Google toggle is turned on. If Voice Match asks you to teach the device your voice, follow the on-screen instructions. It usually involves saying a few phrases so your phone can recognize you. Taking a moment to complete this helps with accuracy and prevents false activations. A quick note for clarity. If you don't see Gemini listed under Digital Assistant, it may not be available for your account or region yet, or your app may need time to update. In most cases, simply checking back later resolves it. Also, if any setting looks slightly different, that's normal. Menu labels can vary slightly with software updates, but the path remains the same inside the Google app. That's it. You opened the Google app, went into your profile and settings, chose Google Assistant, set Gemini as the digital assistant, followed the prompts, and enabled Hey Google with Voice Match. You're all set to use Gemini as your default voice assistant on your